Physiology is the branch of biological science that deals with the study of function and mechanism of different body parts. It examines how living organisms function at various levels, from cellular processes to complex organ systems working together to maintain life. Physiology is divided into several specialized branches, each focusing on specific organ systems and their functions. These subdivisions allow for detailed study of how different parts of the body work individually and how they interact to maintain overall health and homeostasis. Respiratory physiology focuses on the study of lung function and the process of breathing. This branch examines how oxygen is taken into the body and carbon dioxide is removed, including gas exchange in the alveoli, lung mechanics, and respiratory control mechanisms. Renal physiology involves the study of kidney function, including filtration, reabsorption, and secretion processes. This branch examines how kidneys regulate fluid balance, electrolyte concentrations, blood pressure, and eliminate waste products from the body through urine formation. Immunology is the study of the body's defense mechanisms against pathogens and foreign substances. This branch explores how the immune system recognizes and eliminates threats through cellular and humoral responses, including the roles of antibodies, white blood cells, and immune memory. Neurophysiology focuses on the study of nervous system function, including how neurons communicate through electrical and chemical signals. This branch examines brain activity, sensory processing, motor control, and the complex networks that enable thought, memory, and behavior. Pathophysiology examines the functional changes associated with diseases and disorders. This branch connects abnormal physiological processes with clinical manifestations, helping understand how diseases develop, progress, and affect normal body functions at cellular, tissue, and organ levels. Cardiovascular physiology studies the function of the heart and blood vessels in circulating blood throughout the body. This branch examines cardiac cycle, blood pressure regulation, vascular dynamics, and how the cardiovascular system delivers oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products. Endocrinology investigates hormones and their effects on body functions. This branch studies endocrine glands, hormone production, regulation mechanisms, and how chemical messengers coordinate physiological processes including metabolism, growth, reproduction, and stress responses throughout the body. In summary, physiology encompasses these specialized branches that collectively provide comprehensive understanding of how the human body functions. Each subdivision offers unique insights into specific organ systems while demonstrating how they work together to maintain health, respond to challenges, and support life through coordinated physiological processes.